Good morning students, welcome back to the EVS class. I hope all are good and happy. Okay, students, are you all going through these videos? I hope all are watching from videos and learn from the notes what we given. Okay students, okay, good. Today we are going to study about air and weather conditions. Air and weather conditions. See, we already know that air is everywhere. We cannot see the air, but it is everywhere. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air. It is atmosphere. We already learned about that. But this air around us is responsible for the weather conditions. What is weather condition? What is weather? Weather means actually what happens in the air, means what changes in the air. एयर में जो भी होता है उसको क्या बोलता है? एयर. See, weather is different in the morning, then at noon, in the evening, at night. Different weather conditions in the same day. Weather only for short time. Weather can change a lot within a short period. Okay students, can you able to understand? See, the conditions such as rain, okay, different type of temperature, moisture, rain, it is called the weather. In other words, this weather means what we feel at present. What we feel at present, हमें क्या feel होता है ना? Hot or cold, rainy or sunny, okay, humid or dry, हमें अभी जो feel होता है उसको क्या बोलता है? Weather. Understand? Can you able to understand students? Now, see, we already learned air can change a lot within seconds, within minutes, okay, within hours. It is called weather. इसको क्या बोलता है? Weather. See, now rainy season is going on. In today in the morning it was rain, okay. After some time it started to bright, okay. It is a different type of weather. Different type of weather. See, in the morning we feel a pleasant cool breeze. हमें ना एक ठंडा हवा मिलता है सुबह. At noon sun shines very brightly, है ना. It is very hot. हमें बहुत गर्मी लगता है. In the evening again we get coolness. At night it is a dark condition. Okay, means different type of weather conditions. Climate means it is for a long period. Winter season 3-4 months है. Winter season है, long period. Okay, then summer season means hot season. It is also for long period. That is climate. जो long period है climate. But it is weather means only short time. Daily weather can change daily. Means एक दिन में in a same day weather can change. Weather conditions can change. Okay, see, now rainy season is going on now, so we can learn about rain. See, water falling in drops. Rain means water fall. You already know rain means water falling in drops, condensed from vapor in the atmosphere. Condensed from water vapor. This water vapor can change in the form of water drops. Okay, see, the amount of moisture in the atmosphere can rise when the sun heat, है ना, especially from the water area, from the oceans, lakes, ponds, any type of water area. Okay, this water can change in the form of, in the gas form of water vapor. Okay students, ये वाटर वेपर है बाय द सनलाइट. जब सनलाइट आ जाएगा तो ये जो वाटर है ये वाटर चेंज होके, हीट जब आएगा चेंज होके वो गैस फॉर्म होता है, उसको वाटर वेपर बोलता है. दिस वाटर वेपर कैन चेंज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर ड्रॉप्स. ओके, इट इज द रेन. सी, रेनी सीजन में what are happening in the rainy season? People started to use raincoat, umbrella to protect themselves, है ना, from the rain. Okay, this is the rainy season. Okay students, then cloudy atmosphere. Okay, the sky will be cloudy. Okay, then the weather is dull and strong wind will blow. It is the rainy season. Okay, now next, snow. Temperature is 0 degrees Celsius or less. Water vapor frozen into crystals. See, temperature is 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस और लेस. जब टेम्परेचर जब नीचे आ जाएगा 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस और उसके नीचे, उसको क्या बोलता है? स्नो. जब स्नो बन जाएगा, है ना, वाटर वेपर फ्रोजन इनटू आइस क्रिस्टल्स. ये जो वाटर वेपर है ये कन्वर्ट होता है, ये फ्रीज हो जाएगा आइस क्रिस्टल्स में. यू कैन ऑब्जर्व, सी in the European countries, you can see through television, whole country is full of with ice, especially in the winter season. Okay, means this temperature is going down. टेम्परेचर नीचे आ जाएगा, वो 0 में आसपास में आ जाएगा या उसके नीचे जाएगा, तब आइस क्रिस्टल्स फॉर्म हो जाएगा. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट, सी hot. High temperature in the atmosphere by sunlight. Summer season में already we know temperature is very high because of summer season, है ना. That time वो एक ये भी it is a different type of weather condition. Okay, high temperature in the atmosphere by sunlight. Sunlight में high temperature आएगा, it will be sun shines very brightly. Okay, it is the hot season. We get hot too much. Okay, weather condition. Then wind means moving air, especially in the when the time of rainy season, strong wind blows. बहुत बड़ा हवा आ जाएगा. But normally in the morning we get a cool breeze. एक छोटा सा ठंडा हवा आता है ना. Wind means it is the weather condition of wind. Then mist. What is mist? Water vapor condenses in the air close to the ground. Water vapor condenses in the air. Water vapor air में condense हो जाएगा in the form of mist. It is called a mist, but it is close to the ground. Ground में आसपास में आएगा. It is close to the ground. Ground means sometime, especially in the winter season, we can see when we observe, when we see outside area, you can see like white smoke, like a white smoke spread on the ground, है ना. वो जो especially in the field area, जो खेत एरिया में जब देख लेगा थोड़ा सा नीचे एक white smoke दिख सकता है. Okay, it is the mist. It is close to the ground. Ground का it is over the surface area of the earth only. Okay students, now this mist can convert to the dew. Okay, tiny drops of water that form on cool surfaces at night. See, tiny drops of water on leaves or on grass. See, ऐसे छोटे छोटे जो वाटर का tiny drops है, जो small drops you can see at the tip of the grass or leaves. Okay, it is the dew. See, we can see again. What is rain? Water falling in drops. Okay, you already know that rainy season means weather condition of rain condensed from vapor in the atmosphere. Water vapor convert होता है in the form of water drops. Okay, then snow. Snow means temperature is 0 degree Celsius or less. Temperature will be 0 degree or less. Water vapor frozen into ice crystals. Water vapor ice crystal का form में बन जाएगा. Then moving air. Wind is moving air. It can be strong wind, otherwise cool breeze. छोटा हवा आ जाएगा, बहुत बड़ा भी आ सकता है. Then mist. What is mist? Water vapor condenses in the air close to the ground. Surface area of the ground. You can see surface area of the ground. It is mist. Okay. then dew, tiny drops of water that form on cool surfaces at night. Tiny drops of water, see, means at the tip of means grass or leaves. You can see that. Okay, students, you can read the chapter also. Okay, good.